So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Skill Forum. So after long back, we will continue the series of SAP SD training that is in S4 HANA. So in the last classes, we had a discussion about the configuration of SAP SD org structure, BP customer configuration, partner functions and determination. Now we will dive into SAP SD material master data. So basically, we need to understand what is master data here. So we have several master data in that we are going to learn the material master data. So earlier we did the BP customer master data. So now we'll discuss material master data. So basically the material master data contains information on all the materials that a company procures or produces, stores and sells. So basically the material master data is just an information of all the materials that are related to company which the company can procure it, can produce it, whatever the material they can produce it, whatever the material they can store it, whatever the material they can sell it. Okay. So material we can also called as a product. So it is the company's central source for retrieving material specific data. So this information is stored in individual material master record. Okay, this is the core data. So which is used to do certain business transaction. So every area of responsibility can have a material master view. So basically in SAP, every area, it may be the materials management, it may be the sales and distribution, it may be the finance, it may be the quality management, or etc. So all the areas will have a responsibility to maintain this material master data. So because different users department in a company work with same material and each of these department to store different information on the material. So basically whenever we are creating a material master data, it provides different views depends on the different departments. So the specific department will maintain the specific information related to that department. So as we'll discuss here, see we have different types of materials. So basically these are the standard ROH is for raw material, FERT for finished material, HALP for semi-finished material. We have different. Okay. So then we have pipe material. So here we'll discuss about the major material types. So raw material. So basically this type of material which is used to produce the product, final product. So basically it can be procured so that it will be used to procure the material for procurement department. Okay. So to procurement to produce the final product. Okay, next we have third, that is finished material. So basically the finished material is used to do the sales. Okay. So then the semi-finished material, this is also used for procurement. Okay, to produce the final product. So these are the importance of these raw material type. Okay. So in this training we will discuss about the finished material, and in this training session we will be learning how to configure this material type. Okay, then how we can define the number ranges for this particular material type, what we configure it. Then here we have material ledger activation. This is the mandatory in SAP S4HANA. Earlier in SAP ECC it was not mandatory. We need to do this material ledger activation as well. Okay. So let's dive into the material ledger details. So here you can see here you have, see, basically the material ledger is a tool within SAP that helps companies manage their material costs. So material ledger, basically it is a tool which is used by the company to manage the material cost and inventory values. So what values we are going to use it. Okay. So different in multiple currencies. Let's say we are using multiple currencies like company code currency and group currency. So with the different currency types, we can maintain the material cost and valuation method. It records material transaction and provides provides actual costing information given give a clearer view of true cost of material. Okay. So the material ledger is a tool that collects transaction data whose master data is stored in the material master. Okay. So material ledger uses the data to calculate the price to valuate these materials. So basically the material ledger is the configuration, the active, we need to active this material ledger. Okay, until unless if you won't active this material, we cannot process the procurement as well as the sales process. Okay, so we'll see once we configure our material type, we will do this material ledger activation. Okay, so what we can do, so I will dive into the SAP server. First I will define the material type. Okay, so now to create this material type, we will have the T code as well as you can go with the path as well. So this is the path I have mentioned it. So go to this, go to SIMG. Then here we need to go to logistic general. So logistic general. Then here we need to go to material master. So here we have here we have basic settings. So in this material type, okay, we will have to click on this define material type. So as you can see here, so this is you can use OMS2 T code as well. So I'll position standard material type. This is FERT. FERT is for standard material type. What I will do, so I am customizing it based on the requirement. So I will select the line item, then go to copy. So click on the copy and here you just rename it. So how to rename this? So just give my company code is MACD. I will use MC raw material. So MACD or raw material. Okay. Press enter. Don't change anything in this. Press enter. See, all has been copied. See, here MCRM has been copied. See, everything it has been copied. Now, so once you create it, see here I have mentioned the steps. I have mentioned this logistic basic setting, define material type. So then select created raw material type and double click on DC means double click on quantity and value update. See here, what I will do, double click on quantity and value update. Now we will have to position our, see here I have mentioned position plant. So click on this position. What is violation area is nothing but plant. So MCP1 is my plant. Sorry. MCP1. Okay, see MCP1. So we need to click on this quantity and value update. Why? What is the use of this quantity update or value update means whenever you are creating a sales document or purchase document. So whenever we are creating the purchase document or sales document, so we'll have 10 the quantity of the product. So whenever we are creating a purchase order or sales order, okay, we need to maintain the quantity and the value, quantity of the product and value of the product. So these two criteria, these two elements we need to maintain. Until unless if you won't active this with respect to our valuation area and the material type, so you will get errors. Okay, fine. Now, so now we have created our own material type. Okay, we have created our own material type. Now here, so yeah, so once it is done, save this. See, save. Now see, we need to define. See, if you require, see this most of the cases this material type configuration will be done by consultants. So as part of this training we need to do this. So we need to define the number ranges. So I will go back. See here we have defined number ranges for each material type. Okay, so here you can see MMNR is the T code. So just select the change group and we will have to create our group. Okay, so here MACD number range. Then here, let's say I will just click on this free intervals. So we have less free intervals. So what I will do, I will take any one, select the line item. So you can see 1555600. This number range will be created. So what I will do, I will copy this and paste it here, and I will maintain till this. Okay, save. I have created a group, that is MACD number range. So this I need to assign to our material type. See, always the number ranges will be associated with the material type. 50 is my number range number. Okay, here I have created only internal number range. I am not using external number range. Go back, and here we will have to position our material type. What is our material type? MCRM. Okay, so you can use Control F, MCRM. See, MACD raw material. See, select this and click on element, assign element to group. So we'll have to assign this. So what is my, excuse me. So what is my material number? 50. So if you come down, so here we have MACD number, and double click on this. See, it will be assigned. So it's in position, Control F, MCRM. You can observe now. See here, this number range number is assigned. Whatever the number we have created, na, just save this. Whatever the number, see, it will start creating the material with this number. Okay. So now save this. Okay. Material number we have created. So next step is very important. Without material ledger activation, we cannot create the material, as well as we cannot, even though if you create the material, so you will get so many errors. So you will get one error that material ledger is not active whenever you are creating a sales order or purchase order. So let's show you where you will get it without creating the material ledger activation. I will show you. I have MM01T code. I will try to create my material. So that is MCRM. So MACD raw material. Press enter. So here, see, as part of this sales concern, we need to select basic data view, basic data 2, sales data 1, sales data 2, sales general plant data, purchasing data. See, general plant data storage 1. See, all these we have to select as part of this concern. Okay, for sales, we will have to focus on this, but part of this training, we have to select all these views. So this accounting view, that is related to MM. See, plant data storage 1, storage 2, that is related to procurement. Purchasing is also related to procurement. Basic data 1, basic data 2 is general, and these three are related to sales. Now I will give OK. So once you give OK, here we have to enter our plant, that is MCP1 and MCS1, and we have to create MC SO sales organization M1. I think yeah, MACD distribution channel. Enter. See, here you are getting the error. Until unless if you won't active the material type, material ledger, so you cannot create the material. Even though if you create it, okay, it will not be in active mode. You cannot use such material without activating the material ledger. You cannot use that for the sales process or a purchasing process. So now I will dive into the material ledger activation. So here I have mentioned the steps. First step is we need to use standard material ledger 9000 as part of this training. So in that material ledger, standard material ledger 9000, we have to maintain. See, this will be maintained by FICO or MM consultant. So this material ledger 9000. So I will show you. I will go to OMX2 /n OMX. Sorry, directly you can do OMX2. So here you can see 9000 we have standard. So if you select the line item, double click on this. See, here we have only one material, that is company code currency. So if you want to add new currency, so different currency, you can add it. As of now, I am not doing it. So don't do you as well. Okay. Now, so we did this. See, let's see, somebody has created. See here I have maintained. So we use standard. This is not required now. Okay, we use standard. Now the next step is assign plan to material ledger. This 9000 material ledger type we need to assign to our plan. For that we have a T code OMX3. I have mentioned in the Excel sheet. So position, sorry, we have to create new entry. Close this, a new entry. So MCP1, sorry, MCP1, and this is 9000. Enter. See, now it is active. Okay, save this. Save. See, once it is saved, go back and we will dive into next step. So once we assign our plan to material ledger, we need to activate the material ledger on which transaction based the material ledger has to be triggered. Okay, go to OMX1. So /n OMX1, position or evaluation area, that is MCP1. See here we have. So here we need to activate this, and price will be taken by transaction basis. Okay, save. Now it is active. See, after activating the material ledger, live data must be converted. We need to convert all the data. To convert all the data, we have a T code CKMSTART. We need to activate the plan. How to activate? So here /n CKMSTART. Then here we need to enter our plan MCP1. So let's say if you have MCP1 to MCP9, you can maintain from MCP1 to MCP9. So for all the plans, it will be active. So here exchange rate, I will use standard M. Okay, that is for standard translation to average rate. So these data will be given to you by FICO consultants. So I will just see if you want to test run. So click on the test run and execute it. See, it should be all in green color. See, that's why. So if it is in green color, that means it is perfect, no issue. So what you have to do is you need to untick this test run and finally we need to execute it. See, now see, unlocks material in plant. We did. Now we will try to create the material. See, MM01 is to create the material. So /n MM01. See, I'll use this. Enter. Enter. See, this is different data. MCP1, MCS1, MCSO, and MC. Enter. See, now it is allowing. So here I'll use MACD material 1. Then unit of measure. See, this is the basic data one. Unit of measure means, so the particular material, what is the unit of particular material? So material should be in kgs, should be in length, should be in terms of pieces. Okay, so that we have to maintain. So let's say I will take each. Each means piece as well. So single. I will take EA. So you will find, see, you will find all the units based on the requirement. You can select it. Then material group, it is a group of material. So standard I will use it. So this will be done by MM consultants. So here gross weight of the material, let's say I will take 1 here. Enter. In the basic data too, no need to maintain any data. Press enter. So here no need to see division will maintain. That is MACD division MD. Enter. Okay. Apart from this, no need to maintain anything here. Enter. Oh, here we'll maintain 0. See, 0 tax. As for this training, we'll maintain 0 tax. So this data will be provided to you by SD consultants. FICO consultants. Press enter. See here, make sure that these two should be standard. Okay, general item category group, item category group. See, in the coming session, we will understand what these groups. Then press enter. So here we have to maintain the availability check. So as of now, maintain this availability check as no. What does it mean? So whenever you are creating sales order, okay, so the SAP will check the stock. If it is available, you can create the sales order. If it is not available, okay, then it won't create sales order. So these checks will be done if you maintain this availability check. As of now, I'm maintaining KP. Okay, as of now, I'm maintaining the KP. KP means no check. I don't want to check it. Later, we have separate topic for this availability check that we will discuss. Okay, so I will use KP. Then loading group, we have to use standard. This we'll discuss in the coming session. Then press enter. So ignore this. This is not error. This is a warning. Then here, no need to maintain any data as part of SD. Enter. Then here also, no need to enter anything. So plant data storage one also not required. So here valuation class, we have to see here, you can observe material ledger is active. If you want active, so you will have to face an issue. Okay. So here valuation class I will use standard. So this is provided to you by Consultant. This is for finished goods, right? 7930 is the standard. I will maintain the standard price as 10. See, enter. Okay, that's it. Save. So this is already number has generated. Once you save it, it will be saved. See, this is my material. I just copied it, save. And you can maintain in the Excel sheet. As of now, I am not maintaining it. I can search it. So this is how you can create the material configuration. You can configure the material master data as part of SD. So we have done with the material type, number ranges. See number range what we have got it. So whatever the configuration we did na 1555601. Okay, I will show you here. So go to MMNR. See MMNR. So I have shown you the path as well. See /o MMNR. If you go here and you can check what is our intervals we have created. That is 50, right? Yeah, where is 50? Yeah, here we have, see. So somebody has consumed it. So see, 50. 1555660. 1555600 we have created. It has created from that. Okay. So now, if you want to change anything in the material master, you have to use MM02. I will show you. /n MM02. If you go to MM02, see automatically the material master which you have created in the last screen, automatically it will be copied from the temporary data. Then enter. So enter the plant MCP1, MCS1, then we have MCSO and MC. Enter. See? Now you can see all the data. If you want to change anything, you can change it. If you want to change the description, you can change anything you want. Just press enter. Press enter and save it. Okay. So next we have one more T code MM03. If you go to MM03, you can change anything. Okay. So enter the material. So you can view it. Okay. You can view it. Sorry. And MC. See, it will display. Only it will display. Okay. So suppose if you want to change any particular view, go to MM02, press enter. I will deselect all. Suppose let's say I want to change only in the accounting one view. Select the line item, view OK, enter your plant. It will ask only plant data. Enter. See, directly it will take you to the accounting view and you can change anything you want. Okay. So this is how you can create the material master. So how you can configure it. So we have one more T code. So if you want to check the material report, we have a /n MM60. Okay, if you go to MM60, remove this material. If you want to check list of all the materials under the plant, you can check. See, we have only one plant. Let's say I will take any different plant. So we have EPP1 executive. See, I have four materials. You can export it in the Excel and you can maintain the report. So that's all. So what we did, so we have configured the material type, we have configured the number ranges, we have activated the material ledger, and we have done the testing part. Okay, so all the T codes we have learned. So hope you have understood the material master configuration as part of SD concern. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos that is related to pricing procedure, entire end-to-end configuration we will see. Then how we can maintain the condition records in the different scenarios. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss this pricing procedure and condition records. So thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.